Hi everyone, National Wireless here. Today we're going to do an unboxing and spec video on the Motorola R2. Inside the box, the Motorola R2 comes with the radio itself, a battery, antenna, and belt clip. For the purposes of the video, I've also included the charging cradle as well as the power cable, just to showcase what you would receive if you purchased it as a package to get you started. Let's take a look at the charging cradle. So on the front you can see there's an LED indicator to showcase the radio's charging. Behind that you've got the contact pins for the battery. You can also see how the radio will slot in on the side. On the back of the charger you've got the power port connector. Your power cable is just your standard Australian port to plug into the wall, and then you've got your connector that will go into the back of the cradle. The radio comes with a slimline Imprez lithium-ion 2100 mAh battery. Try and say that quick. On the top you can see where the belt clip slots in, and on the bottom you can see where the contacts align with the charging cradle. You can see how the radio will slot into the charging cradle using the grooves on the side of the battery when it's clipped in. This battery will easily cover an 8 to 10 hour shift. Next up is my favourite accessory. You know what they say, why use a pocket when you've got a belt that needs clipping? And finally, the whip antenna. You can get them as a stubby, so this whip antenna is quite flexible, and as you can see, it'll easily screw into the top of the radio. Now onto the main attraction, the Motorola R2. Before I go through the features of the radio, let's put everything together. First, we'll slot in the battery, you'll hear it click. Now let's put the belt clip in, you'll also hear it click. And finally, the antenna. And like I always say, just make sure you don't over tighten it as you can cause damage. There you go. One of the things I first noticed about this radio is that it's light and it fits nicely in the hands. It's a non-display radio, so it's great for those who don't have large channel sets. It's got a large speaker on the front. On the right hand side you have your accessory port that's actually protected by a cover. And below this, I actually forget to point it out, there's a micro USB port protected by a cover as well. On the back is the belt clip. Let's test it out. There you go. On the left hand side you've got your push to talk button as well as two programmable keys. Now on the top you've got your LED indicator, your antenna, your channel switch that goes up to 16, sorry. I just can't count. As well as your on and off. This also works as your volume up and volume down switch. The Motorola R2 is a durable IP55 rated radio. It has loud and clear audio and will easily become a crowd favourite. If you'd like to trial the radio or have any questions, please let us know. Thanks for watching.